I don't want to do that again. I want to go home. Look at that mess. Guys, I'm sweating. And this is just the first recipe? They told me to just show up today and I'm here. What am I doing? I have no idea, but apparently I'm gonna watch something and try to recreate it, so...
Good luck.
Thank you. This is hot dog chips. Okay, this one looks pretty simple. It looks like you need a potato peeler, some weenies, and you just shave them and air fry them, and that's it. That's the recipe. I'm not mad about it. I like weenies. Do you call them weenies? I call them weenies. What do you call them? Hot dogs?
Hot dogs.
Sorry. Okay, these are fun. These look like an interesting way of making chips. I'm more excited about this one because it looks crispier, but they look pretty simple, so I think I can do this. Let's start with the waffle one. Spam. What is this made out of? But it tastes good. I need a mandolin. This looks... Y'all, my vocabulary in culinary ain't there. I don't know what this is called. Ruffled? What are they called? Bridged? I don't know. I will say I do love Spam, but the smell when you open it. So I'm gonna take the Spam and start shaving, cutting. This doesn't look like much. It kind of looks scary, not gonna lie. Color matching brought to you by Spam. Okay, I do have to turn it because if you just go one way, this is what you're gonna get. So you have to switch sides every time. Am I making a mess? Wait. I'm making a mess. Maybe if I cut the block, would that work? No?
Let her try.
I have to figure it out. Okay. Is there a knife? I learned today that apparently I was involved in making the other video. I don't remember. So I'm trying to get the waffle shape, the waffle pattern. This is as close as I got. I'm not getting the squares. I'm not getting the little holes in there. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Do I get a phone call?
No.
I don't get a phone call. Yeah. This show needs to have phone a friend because I don't recall. Did we freeze them? Should we freeze them? Let's freeze them. Okay, so we've got hard rock frozen Spam. This is gonna work out. The other one was smushy. I hope this one isn't. I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe I'm messing this up again, but I think cutting it into smaller pieces is gonna work. That's one way. Okay, these are tiny, but I think I think we're going somewhere. That's a sad fry. Is it working? Am I allowed to just make them like this?
Is that what's in the video?
This is not what's in the video, but it's the same ingredients, so you know, the shape is different. It should taste the same. I'm not getting the holes. I'm not going anywhere with this. Can I look at the video again?
Yeah.
This looks fake. I know I filmed this, but this is giving me nothing. One more time. What a disappointment. Okay, I'm gonna go take a look at the cart. Maybe I'm missing something. There's this other mandolin. What if I just make fry slices? A straw! Can I have a straw? I'm just gonna do this manually, guys. I can't. Can I have a straw? I want a straw. I'm done. Let's try this one more time. We're gonna do it flat now. Okay, this is actually easier. I don't know why I was not doing this the whole time. I'm getting somewhere. These don't look like the video. I might need that straw. Sometimes you just gotta fake it till you make it. You just gotta poke those holes. See? Could have been doing this the whole time. It has holes now. Okay, there you go. Yay! This is just how we're gonna do it. Still looks like nothing.
You need to clean the mandolin blade in between going down so the Spam doesn't get caught on the blade and then not do that perfect slice.
Okay.
Also, you need to press with the same amount of pressure as you're going down so you get a really even slice.
Yeah, this is the kind of stuff that they don't put in the recipe, like clean in between. I would have never. Applying pressure, clean surface. Okay. I am getting somewhere and I'm very happy and proud of myself. So thank you. I think I was pressing too hard on the other one. Yeah. Oh my God. Why am I swaying? I'm just happy. Let me try it one more time. I'm excited now. Okay, that did not work out. So let me show you the previous one. I got it. I would have never been able to do this without Culinary. Okay, now we can move on. Let's go air fry these. I think temperature, let's do 400. 4 minutes on each side sounds right. Right? Question mark. Super confident using this thing. We're not gonna go crazy, so let's do 5 of them. Start. I'm so scared. Okay. Okay, these look really good. It looks like they're crisping up, so I'm happy. I think I made the right call, 4 minutes, 400 degrees. However, I'm gonna flip it and I'm gonna put these back in. Same temperature, 400 degrees. Let's do 2 minutes. I feel confident about this process now. Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, I don't know why they came together like that, but I think they're done. Looks great. Someone in the background agree with me.
I think they look better.
Okay, great. That was a lot of work for 5 Spam fries. Would I make this again? No, but they probably taste good. I'm gonna serve these with ketchup. Ta-da! I like it. Is it worth the effort? Maybe not, but if you want to make these for me, I'd be very happy.
Ready for hot dogs?
I was confident at the beginning of this. Now I'm not. Let's do it. I feel like this is a trick. Is it that easy? I don't know. You know, there are 2 kinds of hot dogs. I think I need a good surface area to be able to peel through the hot dog. So I'm gonna go with the chunkier one. We're gonna have to do the same as the Spam. This is gonna crumble. So I'm gonna go freeze these. Okay, so we have our frozen hot dogs. Let's begin. Oh, guys, this I can do. This was too easy. This just made me realize that Waffle Spam fries are a scam. Don't ever do that again. I love it. That was easy. But I do want to try it with a hot dog that's not frozen. Oh! I just spent an hour waiting for my hot dogs to freeze when I could have just done it without. It's not a clean cut, but you can still do it without freezing it. Okay, I think I'm ready to fry these. I think I'm also gonna air fry this at 400 degrees. 4 minutes sounds right. Now we wait. That doesn't look right. I think I burned some of them. I'm gonna put a little bit of avocado oil on these hot dogs because they... Oh. Hold it like... I don't know how to do anything. Yes, you do. These recipes are supposed to be child-proof, but apparently I am a child and I don't know how to... These are super oily now, but I've eaten worse things, guys. Let's do 2. Let's see what we get. I hope this looks right. They look a little burned. This looks more like bacon. I can't taste anything. I think I may have burned the flavor off. This is as good as it gets, guys, okay?
Does it look like the ones in the video?
No! I think I messed up. I think I should have put oil from the very beginning. Maybe not air fry them at 400 degrees. Maybe it should have been less. So I'm gonna go shave more hot dogs and I'm gonna do this again because I think where I messed up is some of these are too thin. I am gonna lower the temperature and I'm gonna put oil because some of these are dry. We've got some shaved hot dogs, so I'm gonna oil them here. Just gonna do this with my hands. I'm sorry. No one's gonna eat this but me. All of this work for a hot dog? That's crazy. Instead of 400 degrees, I'm gonna do 350. I'm gonna do 3, shake, and then another 3. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see how they look. Aww. I will say this already looks better than the first time. I'm gonna toss them back in and I'm gonna do same temperature, 350. But instead of 3 minutes, I'm gonna do 2. I'm not gonna eat hot dogs for a year. I am done. Let me see, I'm just gonna open it to check. They do not look right. The color is very off-putting. Okay, let me show you guys. Does this look appetizing to you? I think I used a different hot dog than the one that they used in the video because this color is giving pale. They do look better. There's an improvement there. Like, this is round 1, round 2. Could I try again? Yes, I could. Will I? No. I gotta be honest, I don't think I would ever make these again. Today ended up being more difficult than what I planned. This is my creation. However, the 5 ugly ones that I did earlier, I ate them. So Culinary made a new batch. These are perfect. See, they've got the skills. I don't. I'm gonna try these side by side and see which one I would make again, although I think I know the answer to that question. Waffle fries. For a second, I forgot this was spam. It's very spammy. I feel like you need a dip. Hot dog chips. See, I do like the color of these a little bit more because they're shiny. Some of they're kind of half crispy, half not. I don't know. There's different textures in this. I'm not gonna lie. Flavor-wise, these were better. I actually prefer hot dog chips. They're not as salty. They're great alone. This is great. I will never make waffle fries again. Ever, ever. So those can go away. So I think these are the winner, and also they're significantly easier to make, but also don't trust every recipe you see on the internet. It's not as easy as it looks.